Hello everyone, I'm David. Welcome back to our channel. It's good to have you with us today. So today we are going to look at pixel art sprites in Scratch. So pixel art is a form of digital art where images are created and edited at the tiniest level. It's characterized by its blocky, low resolution appearance where each pixel represents a single point of color. So method 1 is going to be pixelating sprites. It's like making pictures look like old video games. You can change any character into cool pixel art with just a few clicks. So to demonstrate this, we shall first go to the looks category and find the set color effect block. So I'll click on this color icon, and then from the drop down menu I can choose pixelate. So let's adjust our pixelate value to our liking, say from 0 to 50, and click here and see what happens to our cat sprite. And as you can see, our cat sprite has been pixelated. So this method is great for making your Scratch backgrounds look like pixel art, which makes your project stand out. In method 2, we are converting sprites to pixel art. There are two modes of drawing in Scratch, the bitmap mode and the vector mode. So bitmap mode is like using tiny dots, which are the pixels, to make pictures. So this mode allows us to edit our photos and paint with pixels, while the vector mode allows us to create and edit shapes. So let's adjust our pixelate value of our cat sprite back to 0. You'll know whether you're in the bitmap mode or vector mode by moving over here to the costume section and then clicking at this button right over here at the bottom of the screen that shows convert to bitmap or convert to vector mode. At the moment, our cat sprite is in vector mode. To make it look like pixel art, we shall just come over here and switch it to bitmap mode. So I'll click and drag to select my cat sprite, and then I'll reduce it until it's as tiny as these small squares. And then I can click here, convert to bitmap, and then back to vector. And then we can readjust our cat sprite to have it in pixel form. So in conclusion today, we've learned methods of creating sprites in Scratch. And these are pixelating sprites, converting sprites to pixel art, and finally, don't miss our next video where we shall create the different sprites for our Sonic game. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting and awesome content. Until next time, happy coding.